Welcome to our journey through the solar system, where we delve into the majestic world of Jupiter, often hailed as the protector of our planetary neighborhood. As the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter captivates our imagination not only with its sheer size, but also with its vibrant colors, magnificent storms, and a wealth of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Jupiter, a gas giant, is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, resembling the Sun in its elemental makeup. It boasts a staggering diameter of about 86,881 miles, more than 11 times that of Earth. Its mass is so immense that it exceeds that of all the other planets combined, more than 300 times greater than our own. This extraordinary size and mass allow Jupiter to exert an unparalleled gravitational influence over its surroundings, shaping the dynamics of the entire solar system. One of Jupiter's most significant contributions lies in its gravitational influence, acting as a formidable shield for the inner planets. As a cosmic vacuum cleaner, Jupiter helps to protect Earth and its neighbors from the relentless barrage of asteroids and comets that populate the solar system. Picture the early solar system, a chaotic environment filled with debris and potential hazards. Many comets and asteroids venture toward the Sun, but Jupiter's immense gravity captures many of these celestial bodies, altering their trajectories. Some are pulled into Jupiter, colliding with the planet and contributing to its ever-changing atmosphere, while others are deflected, redirected away from the inner planets. This protective role is crucial. Without it, Earth would likely have faced far more frequent and catastrophic impacts from these space rocks. To understand Jupiter's impact on Earth, we must consider our planet's history. Without the gravitational presence of Jupiter, the frequency of impacts from large asteroids could have been drastically higher. Some researchers posit that Jupiter's influence has helped stabilize the orbits of the inner planets, allowing them to maintain conditions suitable for life. The Late Heavy Bombardment, a period characterized by intense asteroid activity around 4 billion years ago, could have had devastating consequences for early life. However, Jupiter's gravitational pull likely redirected many of these incoming threats, shielding Earth from catastrophic impacts that could have obliterated the fragile beginnings of life. Jupiter acts as a gravitational shield. Its size and position create a dynamic environment that maintains stability within the inner solar system, allowing life to flourish on Earth. Jupiter's influence extends well beyond its own gravitational field. It encompasses its extensive system of moons, over 79 known to date. Among these, the four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, form what we call the Galilean moons, discovered by the astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610. Each of these moons presents a unique environment and scientific intrigue. Let's start with Europa. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast subsurface ocean, which may contain more than twice the amount of water found on Earth. This possibility raises tantalizing questions about extraterrestrial life. Europa is of particular interest to scientists who hypothesize that its ocean, warmed by tidal heating from Jupiter's gravitational pull, could harbor conditions suitable for life. Future missions aim to explore Europa's surface and subsurface in search of signs of life, potentially answering the profound question: are we alone in the universe? In stark contrast to Europa, we find Io, the most geologically active body in the solar system. With hundreds of active volcanoes and a constantly changing landscape, Io's intense geological activity is driven by the gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its other moons. This interplay not only shapes Io's surface, but also illustrates the complex gravitational interactions that characterize the Jovian system. Callisto, another of Jupiter's moons, is the most heavily cratered object in the solar system, a testament to its ancient history. Unlike its volcanic neighbor Io, Callisto has remained relatively unchanged for billions of years, providing a unique record of the early solar system. Its thick ice crust and potential subsurface ocean make it another target for future exploration, as scientists seek to unravel the mysteries of its past and potential for life. Jupiter's atmosphere is a mesmerizing spectacle, characterized by its colorful bands, turbulent storms, and powerful winds. The Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth, has raged for centuries, providing scientists with invaluable data on atmospheric dynamics. This persistent storm is a swirling vortex demonstrating how Jupiter's rapid rotation, lasting just under 10 hours, creates powerful jet streams and complex weather patterns. Furthermore, Jupiter possesses an incredibly strong magnetic field, over 14 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field, combined with its rapid rotation, creates intense radiation belts around the planet. These radiation belts are not only fascinating in their own right, but also have implications for the safety of spacecraft and potential future missions. Understanding Jupiter's magnetic environment offers valuable insights into space weather, influencing satellite operations and technology on Earth. The Juno spacecraft, currently in orbit around Jupiter, is providing unprecedented data about the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and inner structure. Launched in 2011, Juno has been instrumental in revealing Jupiter's secrets, from the depth of its cloud layers to the nature of its powerful magnetic field. By studying Jupiter, scientists hope to gain insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system, as Jupiter is often considered a time capsule, preserving the conditions of the early solar system. In essence, Jupiter is more than just a gas giant. It is a guardian of sorts. Its massive size and gravitational might not only protect Earth from cosmic threats, but also influence the very conditions that allow life to flourish. Its moons, dynamic atmosphere, and magnetic field contribute to the intricate balance of forces that shape our solar system. As we look to the future, missions aimed at exploring Jupiter and its moons will enhance our understanding of not only our own planet, but also the potential for life beyond Earth. The quest to uncover the mysteries of Europa, Io, and Ganymede will push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, inspiring new generations of scientists and explorers. As we continue to explore our solar system, Jupiter stands as a testament to the intricate relationships that govern the cosmos. By understanding its role, we deepen our appreciation for the delicate interplay of celestial bodies and the remarkable conditions that have made our world possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Jupiter, the protector of our solar system. As we look to the stars, let us continue to wonder about the mysteries that lie beyond, forever inspired by the grandeur of our cosmic neighbor. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in this vast universe, and Jupiter will undoubtedly remain a key player in that journey.